Hey there, everybody. Marybeth Angelelli here, and welcome back. Hey, today I want to just bring you inside of my email account. First off, to start out by sharing with you and showing you a little bit of proof that this system is absolutely amazing. It's working very, very well, not only for me, but for countless other members within the Infinity Processing System community. I absolutely love this system. And, everybody wants to see, you know, proof that the system is real, that it works, and it absolutely does. And it can work for you too when you get started. And all you have to do is follow the simple step-by-step training. And momentarily, I'm going to take you and share with you my sales page that you can review firsthand for yourself so that you can hopefully get a vision of what is possible for you when you get started with IPS. Sound good? Okay. So yesterday I closed out with 3 commissions, 3 sales. Okay. And as you can see, this is my merchant account. I do have 2 other payment methods and processors that I'm using for the system, but this is my merchant account through authorized.net, which can accept payments worldwide. Okay. And this is a worldwide opportunity. So we have 1 right here, 2 right here, and 3 right here. Now, the majority of people are taking this, looking at it, seeing the big picture, the vision, and the potential, and they're getting started at the pro level, which is the $300 level. Okay. So if you do some simple math, folks, you can see that these payments do add up very, very nicely. For example, 300 plus 300 plus 300 is 900 right there that I generated in commissions alone just yesterday with Infinity Processing System. So this is very, very powerful. It's very simple, tons of value, and people are just absolutely loving it because it gives you what you need to finally acquire the skills necessary to be successful online. And if you aspire to earn a full-time living on the internet, online using the internet this year in 2021 and beyond, folks, this is a system that you definitely want to take a very, very close look at. So let's get into the good stuff, into my sales page right here, where you will be able to review everything firsthand. Okay, now below in the description, I have the link to my capture page, which is working out very, very well for me. It's a very high converting page. Once you enter your email address into my simple capture page, you're going to be redirected right here. Now, I highly encourage you to start at the top and carefully work your way down, reviewing all of this information in its entirety. Okay, you don't want to miss anything because it's very, very important that you understand exactly what is here and how this very system can truly help you and change your life this year. Okay, so this will show you how to become your own boss, and you will be able to learn how you can tap into our 300 a day blueprint by posting pre-written ads on social media. That is correct. All of the ads are given to you. So it removes all of the guesswork out of the equation. You don't have to create any ads. They're all here. They're here for you, and they're here to help you to win and succeed with Infinity Processing System. Now you want to start right here and press play and watch this entire short video in full. Okay, this will explain everything about Infinity Processing System. Okay, now warning, this is not an overnight get rich quick scheme. However, it does have the power to change your life in ways that a 9 to 5 never will do. Okay, so just keep that in mind, that little tidbit there. This is me right here, and you can review my information right here. If you want to connect with me, what I'll do is I'll include the link. I'm sorry, I will include, yes, a link to my Facebook in the description, which is right here. You can also click here, and then you can also text or call me. I'll put my personal contact information below, just like I always do on all of my videos. As you can see, I am a very real person. So if you are serious about this, and should you have any questions, do not hesitate to text or call, okay? I operate largely off of my cell phone, okay? And it has worked out very, very well. Now, you do not have to speak to anybody, folks, unless you absolutely want to. The system is very powerful, it's very robust, and it's very automated. It literally does all of the telling, all of the selling, and all of the explaining for you so that you don't have to. Right here in this very powerful, compelling short video. Okay, and then the additional information is here for you to review and read on my sales page. Okay, so scrolling on down, how does it work? It's all explained very simplistically by following our simple three-step system to start making 100% commissions. That's what I love about this program, folks. Unlike other systems out there, this one pays you direct, instant pay, 100% commissions. So when someone signs up at the 50, the 150, or the 300, folks, you are paid instantly. There's no waiting on commissions from the company to pay you out, and you earn 100%, okay, of the sale. It all goes to you, okay? Step 1, get started. Step 2, post your ads on social media. And step 3, get paid, okay? Start collecting these wonderful 100% daily commissions straight to your account, to the payment processor of your choice. And as you can see, folks, these add up very, very nicely, especially the pro level $300 commissions. Okay, how does it work? It's all explained right here. So you definitely want to read this in its entirety. This is for you if you're tired of struggling and feeling stuck and confused, if you're perhaps a college dropout, if you are perhaps a stay-at-home mom, if you're looking for a way just to make some extra income for you and your family, and you're ready for your big break, okay? You're ready for your ship to come in, folks. This can be your opportunity, and you definitely want to come into this and give it your all, okay? If you're tired of your job, or even if you don't have one at all and want to have the ability to get paid daily instead of every 2 weeks, it's all possible, okay? And it's all set up for you inside of this very system, okay? So you can go ahead and review all of this information, and then this is what you want to pay specific attention to, okay? These are the 3 product packages, the starter level for $50 plus a one-time $25 admin website fee. However, there are no monthly fees here either, folks, okay? Elite Level 150, a one-time $25 admin fee. This is the influencer brand marketing. This is the internet automation secrets. And this is, of course, what you want to aspire to. This is where you want to try to come in to get started. Okay, the Pro Level 300, a one-time admin fee. Okay. Highly recommended that you get paid on all levels, okay? These are the products that you get, especially at the six-figure blueprint. Now, this is going to teach you step by step through very easy to follow, easy to navigate, user-friendly and newbie-friendly step-by-step video training tutorials. If you aspire to earn a full-time income using and harnessing the power and the potential of the internet, folks, the six-figure blueprint will be your roadmap to success in 2021 and beyond. This is the pro level and is highly recommended, okay? It's going to give you the most value. You will not be passing up any sales. You will not be leaving any money on the table, okay? This is truly where the true potential and life-changing income exists, okay? These are the products that you get. You're going to be able to, of course, earn $300 commissions, 150 and 550, okay? Because you will get the elite and the starter as well as the pro, okay? In addition, you will get 200 pre-written ads plus 60 bonus image ads that you can use anywhere on the internet, any social media platform of your choice. Personal development is very important. It's equally important. It works hand in hand in conjunction with skill set, okay? The two go together and they combine the winning mindset formula with the art of persuasion and influence that you definitely want to tap into, okay? So that you can take and unleash your true potential, okay? And advance yourself as you go along, okay? And this will allow you to start to earn while you learn, as well, giving you a full 7-day success action plan. So when you wake up every morning, you just follow this blueprint, folks. You'll know exactly what to do each and every single day of the week, removing all of the guesswork out of the equation, okay? Six-figure closing script, very, very valuable, okay? You'll know exactly how to respond to a prospect that requests information from you anywhere, okay? Online, through your internet marketing efforts, especially on social media. I've been utilizing this with great success on Facebook alone, okay? The six-figure closing script, very, very powerful. Facebook marketing strategy, okay? I tapped into this, folks. This is one of the platforms, my personal favorite platform for social media. I utilize Facebook every day and it works amazingly, amazingly well. 100 Facebook groups. Craigslist marketing strategy. We have an awesome Facebook support group. YouTube mastery. This is something that I highly encourage you to take and leverage it to the fullest and really get good at this, folks, because this will truly take you and your online career to the next level. Okay, I've been doing YouTube videos, folks, for a very, very long time. They are free. They, in my opinion, produce the highest quality leads and they build that all important know, like, and trust by far the fastest. Okay, setting you up for amazing success. Instagram marketing strategy, how to create your six-figure sales funnel, okay? 30 email follow-ups to close your sales on autopilot. This is going to teach you everything that you need to know how to be successful online. It's going to teach you how to create your funnel, how to build your email list, and how to successfully and effectively follow up through scripts and through email. Because like they say, the money is in the list. You will learn how to build your email list the right way and also how to follow up the right way. The fortune is in the follow-up. So remember those two key points, folks. The money is in the list. That is your email list. And you'll learn how to do that. The fortune is in the follow-up. You'll learn how to do that as well, okay? Those two also go together. They coincide very well, and they work hand in hand as well, okay? Equally well. TikTok marketing strategy, and you're going to get access to our VIP training live chat and exclusive live webinar trainings that are hosted every single week, okay? These are conducted and hosted by 6- and 7-figure earners, okay? So you'll learn the best from the best, okay? Get access to a VIP vacation voucher for a relaxed getaway, also extra bonuses, discounts on hotels and restaurants. And you can offer these to your team too as well, okay? No monthly fees, $300 plus a small minimal one-time admin fee when you get started, okay? And that covers the cost of your replicatable, duplicatable sales page, okay, which is this page right here. All right, and what is your income potential? Save the best here for last. You definitely want to watch this very short video that is only 4 minutes and 24 seconds long. And then this way, this is going to help you to plan, okay? And then you can, plan your schedule and map out a strategy for yourself on how you want to accomplish your goals this year, utilizing this amazing, amazing system, incorporating the six-figure blueprint formula. Okay, so below, you're going to have the opportunity to visualize what your income potential can be depending on the level that you join. And of course, it's all based on your skill set and your efforts and the time that you put into this. And like the old saying goes, folks, what you put into something is what you fully can expect and anticipate to get out of this. So the more that you put into this, most likely the more you're going to get out of this, okay? So just remember that, okay? You want to definitely take this and give it your all. Treat it like a real business, not like a hobby, and I can almost guarantee you that you will get some great, amazing results over time. Now, as an income disclaimer, I cannot guarantee you any type of income. It's all going to depend on you, your work ethic, your effort and your skill set, and then your ability to take this information and process it, and then go out there and apply and implement it and be consistent. That is also the key to being successful online. Consistency. Consistency is the key to being successful in any business opportunity, any home-based business, including Infinity Processing System, okay? So these are projections even at the starter level, okay? Earn $50 per commission and no monthly fees. And even this alone can be very, very lucrative and powerful as you go, as you grow, and as you build in the days, the weeks, and the months to come. Alrighty. And then this is with the elite level. Okay, projections right here. You can take a look at this as well. And for example, one sale a day, you're looking at 4,200 a month, 3 sales a day once you get going. This puts you at a 5-figure a month income potential. Okay, now this is where it gets super exciting, of course, at the pro level to 300, because these are 100% commissions. And like I showed you when I first started this video, these add up very, very nicely, very, very quickly. 1 a day is 300 a day. 2 a day is 600 a day. 3 a day daily income, like I showed you some income proof, $900, okay, that I had yesterday, okay, using this awesome system. And this adds up very nicely. And of course, these add up very, very nicely too in any given month. This is, again, potential, okay? And of course, remember, nothing happens until you make it happen, folks. You have to first take a step of faith, take a leap of faith, get started, take action, plug into the training. Of course, follow it to a T. Do not deviate. Do not try to reinvent the wheel, folks. It's all here laid out for you very simplistically. The right way, folks, to finally learn the skills that will set you up to pay your bills and to win in 2021 and beyond. So with that being said, folks, go ahead and check this out. Click on the link below, enter your email address. You're going to be redirected here, and you want to start at the top, work your way down. As soon as you're ready, folks, choose the level that is best for you. And again, you can always upgrade and just simply pay the difference if it's within a 30-day time span. Wanted to get that out there in closing. So thank you so very much for spending some time with me today. If you like this video, by all means, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, Retire with Marybeth. That way, as I continue to produce new content that will hopefully help you. I'll be putting some training videos together, and you'll get access, to those as well as to me when you join with me, and also to my special exclusive bonuses as well. So folks, when you're ready, you know where to go. You know how to connect with me. It's all below in the description. Even if you can only get started here, folks, you can get started here, you can upgrade here, or you can upgrade here. Those are awesome alternatives as well. The main thing is you've got to get started in order to succeed. So get in where you fit in, folks. By far, this is the highly recommended plan, because this is going to show you what to do to achieve a full-time income on the internet this year and beyond. So thanks so much. Have yourself a wonderful day. My name is Marybeth Angelelli, and I look forward to welcoming you in advance to my Infinity Processing team. Hope to see you on the inside very, very soon, especially inside of our awesome, dynamic, highly supportive Facebook community. Until the next time, folks, you take care and stay safe out there. Continue to be inspired, be blessed, and I'll be back at you very, very soon. Bye for now.